everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. So today I'm going to be doing a coloring tutorial for my most recent coloring. It's kind of like an edit with me and a coloring tutorial. So I'm not going to show you guys the theme tutorial because I have a video for that theme, and I will just put the link of that for that video in the description box. But I'm just going to do a coloring tutorial and then like a simple edit with me, and I made this coloring. So here's the coloring. It's this recent one. I'll show you guys in my camera roll. Here's how it looks. And I'm just going to do a quick coloring tutorial on it. So it's very easy and simple, so let's get started. The first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to save your video. And after you've done that, I go on to Meitu, or however you pronounce this. Obviously, I have no clue. And then you are going to import your video and click on the video and then click image quality repair. Oh wow, it repaired very fast. Yours is going to take a little bit of time. I don't know why mine just did that super fast. It usually takes time. And then you're going to put your sharpen to 100. And then after that, you're going to click save. So I didn't show you guys how to do that sharpen. Let me just show you guys quickly. You're going to go onto toning and then sharpen and then just put it to 100. Then after this, we're going to go onto CapCut, and I will put the little wallpaper on the screen. You can obviously search up a different wallpaper, like if you want hearts that are a certain color, you can just search that up and do that for yourself. But I just use this one. I like that it has a lot of colors and it's pastel. And then I just make the length of this the same as the video. So the video is how many seconds? It's 5 seconds. So I also made this 5 seconds, and then you just make it bigger so the lengths match up. Okay. And then what you're going to do is you're going to click on the video and then go remove background, because you don't want the background of the original video. And this only works with certain videos that that aren't like vlogs or anything where someone is like showing the sky or like, I don't know, something like that. So I always use videos that are like the person themselves because it's just easier. And then over here, I add sharpen one time. I know I add sharpen a lot, but it is what it is. And then I save the whole video to my camera roll. Now for prequel, I always have the little link because it's just easier to have links. So I'm just going to go ahead and use that. And I will put the link in the description box for you guys. Here's how it should look. You can go ahead and fix the sparkle because there's always too much sparkle for some reason. I think it looks fine. And then you can just go ahead and save the video to your camera roll. After you save the video, I go on to Font and I do the theme. So the theme, as I said, it's linked in the description box, and I have it saved as a project over here. So I just do the font trick, and I'm so glad that this font trick exists, because without this, I would have to do themes over and over again. And then I just fix my text. I'm going to actually change the font for this. Someone told me they couldn't read it, and it's just better if I just change it. I might change it to that. So you just save the project, or after you like have your theme, and then you can go ahead and then save the video. And after this, I go back onto the quality fixing app and I import the video again. And of course, I do the quality repair. So yeah, it does take a little bit of time. My video is only 5 seconds. So it doesn't take that long for this video, but videos that are longer do take time, obviously. And then after you're done that, you're just going to go ahead and go on to toning and add sharpen. So for each video, for this video, I'll add sharpen to 100. Some videos I add it to like 50 or 60, depending on if the video looks like streaky almost. So let's just go on to... Here's how it looks, and I think it looks pretty cool. I like the whole quality thing. It really makes the video look good. And then after this, I just go ahead and post it, but I've already posted like posted with this video over here, so I'm not going to post it again. But that is basically it for my theme and coloring. I hope you guys enjoy, and if you use this coloring, please give me credits. Thank you for watching. Bye!